Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Bybit account security step by step clearly. To reset your Bybit account security, begin by navigating to the Bybit login page. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Once logged in, go to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Security. In the Account and Security section, locate the option for Reset Security. Click on Reset Security to initiate the process. You will be prompted to verify your identity. Choose your preferred method of verification. This could include email verification or two-factor authentication. If you select email verification, check your inbox for a verification code. Enter the code in the provided field on the Bybit platform. If you opt for two-factor authentication, open your authentication app to retrieve the code. Enter this code in the designated spot. Once your identity is verified, you will be taken to the security settings. From here, you can update your password or change your two-factor authentication method. To change your password, click on the Change Password option. Follow the prompts to enter your current password and create a new one. Make sure to choose a strong password that meets the platform's security requirements. After updating your password, you may also want to review your two-factor settings. If your two-factor authentication method needs to be updated, select the relevant option. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up Finally, confirm all changes and make sure that your security settings are up to date. You have successfully reset your Bybit account security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.